Hello everyone, how are you? Lately I have been enjoying coloring frames. Since my videos of mermaids with frames, I got a new white frame and I thought how cool would be to paint again. So these photos are the result of it. With this frame painted, I also wanted to make an illustration for it, and that's how the spirit of the forest was born. I wanted to make a background like it is mixed with the frame, but also something very calm. Since I used gouache that I bought 10 years ago and also the cheapest off the market, and some new acrylics I got in a scroll box challenge, in the frame I wanted to use the same materials for the drawing. In this video I will be using Arteza paper, but I will talk about it on my next videos, doing a full review. If you are interested to see, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel, not forgetting to click the bell so you won't miss my newest uploads. I did a sketch on my moleskin of the two spirits because I already bought my next frame to make these beautiful girls match with each other, and I used some vegetable paper to make new lines in the watercolor paper. I wanted to use thicker paper instead of the one I usually use for the Copic markers, so the Arteza paper was my best option. I also think the gouache and acrylic are thicker, so I wanted the paper better for it. I didn't use my light box for this, since it's not strong enough and I would not see much of the sketch anyway, because the paper is too thick, like all the watercolor papers. After doing my line art with my mechanical pencil, my most used material, I tried to use my already tried colors when I colored the frame, but I didn't achieve much. So I did new colors matching my old ones, and then I started coloring the drawing. Every time I use this kind of mediums, like watercolors, acrylic or gouache, I get the feeling my drawings end up super light. So in this one I tried some stronger colors, and I would love to know how some people can master mediums such as watercolors, because their soft look for me looks amazing. But when I try to do the same thing, it looks so difficult to look right to me. I always end up using more contrast with the colors I am using. Anyway, I tried to put the basic colors in all the drawing and then doing some detailing. I used a bit of water here and there, and I managed to cover and see if everything looked right to me. The skin, it's something that I always take too much time, and usually I always do it wrong, but I think I could achieve it more or less what I wanted in this drawing. I think I just need to practice more. The hair, as always, was so much fun, with all the strokes of the lights and also the shadows. I always love coloring hair, and I think in this drawing that's what's more appealing to me. Something I also noticed that you need some patience and wait the paper to dry, and that's why you see me rotating the paper so much. That way I never laid my hand on the paper that it's still drying. This was my best part and the most fun for me, because I wanted to make some highlights on the hair but not using the white gel pen, so I had to use the color of the paper. If you want to check the videos I talked in the beginning of this video of the mermaids, and since we are in May already and mermaid it's going on at the moment, you can follow the link on the top of this video, or you can also check the playlist on my channel. I am doing mermaid, but probably I will be super busy and I can take more time following the challenge, but still I will try my best. Did you join? Are you already behind like me? Going back to this drawing, what feeling do you get when watching the making of this drawing or other videos I do? Do you feel calm? Do you feel artsy? Let me know in the comments below if you like to see this kind of videos from me. This is a little drawing that I think it has many details, especially on the hair, making everything more interesting to the eye. Did I already told you I like this kind of drawings? Little illustrations, very unique and just one of a kind. So after everything colored and like I wanted, with my white gel pen I did some little details to make the feathers from her makeup stand out, and also little details on the drawing. After doing everything, I noticed my frame was opaque. So I used the clear spray to make it a bit more shiny, and this is the result. So what do you think? The glass is reflecting too much on this video, and I tried to record it in different perspectives, but always happened the same. And I also think the colors are much more better in person, but I would love to know what you think of this result. Do you like these kind of drawings? Are you excited to see the other one? Here you can see that the frame is already painted, so you can expect something that reminds you of the autumn. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye!